Judy! Judy! Bakit yung adults kami yun?
No, your young adults are, I believe, table number, there's no number now. Okay, GB, table,
Dapat
Nichols,
sama tayo.
There, young adults, young professionals. Okay. Young adults, no, you're teenagers. Young adults, come here.
Oo. Oo nga. Balon sa kanila.
Oh, okay.
Balon. Lalakad.
Anyway.
Lalakad.
Yeah, we're ready for our next game. But just to let everybody know that we have prepared buffet of fish, Eager foods, and it's available there. It's for
Busog na
everyone,
busog.
okay?
Nandiyan pala. Nandiyan pala.
Feel free.
Sino?
Feel free to get your like
Tsaka sino?
get more food there. in that corner. Okay, young people. So the game is, so group yourselves into two. Sorry, two groups. We have to, no, not part of the game. Okay, young adults and teenagers as well.
Game na, game na. Dito tayo na to. Game na net. Doon ka mo po.
And the prize is cash.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Can we join? Can we join? Si Amir nag-join. Si Amir nag-join, oh.
No, sorry.
Net dito ka.
Only cash prize. Cash pala ang monetary. Yeah. So, make two lines, okay? Line A, line B. No, hindi kasali yung mga, I'm sorry, unfortunately, we can only accept young adults, age range
Naka-PhD.
below 20, 20,
Mag-English. Gaya man.
20, 20. Oh my God, 30 na kayo? Oh, Jesus! Okay, below 30 years old. Okay.
Below.
It would
Below.
have been 21, but well, would
Magaling
consider
talaga
so.
si Nona.
If you are 29
Sabi ako
years
dun eh.
young, stay.
You're not
Yes.
young. You're not young.
Yeah.
Andyan pala si Kinkin. Asaan? Ayan o si Kin.
And you know
Tintin. Kin, si Kin.
Ah,
Andyan. Andyan.
this
Si Andre?
sort of age,
Andyan
Wala.
din. Andyan din.
because it's going to be very physical. You have to have stamina for this. Just a reminder. There's a reason why we say we can only